So today we're going to be testing out the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau Eyeshadow Palette. I literally, you guys, just picked it up at Sephora. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even swatched it. And I can't wait to dive into a look. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Ooh, okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today, oh my gosh, literally just drove back from Sephora. I couldn't wait to test out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I know, it's been a long time since I've even used ABH's formula. I love their sultry palette. I have the Norvina palette. But over the past few years, I just didn't have any interest in the brand anymore. They were coming out with eyeshadow palettes left and right. I couldn't keep up with it, but something about this baby really spoke to me. It retails for $55, I know, and we're gonna see if it's really worth that much money. It's a 12 pan eyeshadow palette, and it looks like a beautiful mix of earth tones. You know, I love neutral tones. There is a warning. It says 3 shades are not for use near eyes. Okay, but it's inspired by the rich hues and duochrome shades of Summer Dreams. Nouveau palettes, reinvented mattes and multi-dimensional metallics leave everything to your imagination. It's made in the USA, and let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, very pretty. It's textured. Let's open her up together. Okay, here we go. Eee! Wow, okay, let's get rid of this. But this is what she looks like. Isn't that stunning? You know, I love lavender, and this shade here, Wisteria, is really beautiful. We're just gonna go ahead and swatch each color. Oh, they feel super buttery. Wings, silver metallic green. Isle is a metallic blonde gold. Pretty. Belle is metallic antique bronze. This one I'm very intrigued about, Wisteria. It's a beautiful lilac matte shade. Feels buttery. Let's go ahead and swatch her here. Now that has a great deal of pigment. I turned down my lights so you can see the shades a little bit better. This is Lily. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. Hope, metallic olive green. This is Paloma. And Fleur. That's very pretty. Fleur is very nice. I could see that in the transitional shade. Liberty is a matte, muted hunter green. Beautiful. That's pretty. I bet that'll be pretty in the fall. Peacock, which is a duochrome. Ooh, that has a really nice shift to it. And this is Metro. This is Muse, metallic dark chocolate brown. They swatched beautifully. They just glided on. There's something about the mattes in this palette that are really special. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into a look. I've already prepped my eyes with a City Beauty lid lifting treatment. You know this is my go-to. It creates a very smooth canvas. You can also use it as an eyeshadow primer. Absolutely love the City Beauty lid lifting treatment. I also primed my eyes to see what type of pigment we're gonna get with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Primer. I'm in the shade Light. I also cleaned my brushes. I know, right? You know it's gonna be good if I cleaned my brushes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with Paloma. This is a matte creamy ivory with sparkling reflex. My BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A503. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback. See that? And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over the lid. So I have a nice uniform, it's almost the exact same shade as my lid, but just to create a nice, solid, clean base. And just blending it in. Yeah, this is almost exactly the same shade as my lid, but that's okay. On my BK202, I'm going to take Fleur, and I'm just going to go up in the transitional shade up through here. There's a lot of kickback. You're not going to need a lot of product, I think, with this eyeshadow palette because the pigment is definitely there. Wow. Nice neutral colors. You know I love neutral shades, but something really special about this palette. It just got me super excited about an eyeshadow palette, especially from ABH. It's been forever. On the same brush, I'm going to go in with Metro, which is that clay color. Definitely going to tap off the excess. And I'm going to go right above my crease and deepen that up. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. And just flicking it out. That's pretty. It's not getting muddy. It's really holding on to the pigment, and just right through here, deepening up that transitional shade. It's super buttery. I mean, my goodness, isn't that nice? Now, I do have hooded eyes. My right eye is less hooded than my left, so I have to make adjustments with my left eye. So I like to make it a little deeper through here, add a little bit more pigment so I can recess the hood right through here. But so far, it's just applying beautifully. You guys, I really am curious about Liberty. I know, I'm going out of my comfort zone. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it on my A502 and just gonna take a little bit of Liberty right through here, outer thirds of my eye, right through that crease to deepen it up. And then stamping it along my lash line. This is a unique color. I really like this olive green, and it's applying beautifully. And I'm not really experiencing any fallout. Am I an olive green kind of girl? No, but I bet this would look beautiful on blue eyes, on hazel eyes. But yeah, I'm just trying to push that hood back through here. Oh, that's stunning. Isn't that pretty? Oh, on a smaller tapered brush, the A504, I'm gonna go in with Mousse. You know I have to go in with a dark chocolate brown. And let's stamp it along the lash line. Oh, that's beautiful. It is a metallic, but it's blending out beautifully. I like how it's looking against Liberty. Now, there is some fallout, especially with Mousse, but it is just going on like a champ. Now, you can easily use this eyeshadow palette for every day. Quite frankly, easily transition into night. Ooh, this is so sultry and smoky. Can definitely get a smoky eye look with this eyeshadow palette. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my pencil brush, and I'm going to take Fluor and just run it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Liberty and smoke out the outer thirds of my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with Isle. Oh my God, this is so buttery. I'm just going to tap it on right through there. That is simply stunning. Oh, I got some on the corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to take that same brush that I started out with, and I'm just going to blend it and soften up those edges. Wow. Now I do have a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to take a brush and just flick it. It's really not that bad. It's just easily being brushed away. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and I will give you my final thoughts on the Nouveau palette from ABH. Okay, final look. Now for eyeliner, I just went ahead and tapped the Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen on the top of my eyelash band just to give a little bit more definition and pop. And then I put on 2 coats of the new Maybelline Green Edition Mega Mousse Mascara. 2 coats. Didn't clump. Looks great with such a dramatic eyeshadow look. I wanted to make sure my eyelashes were long, thick, and dramatic, and I think it did the trick. What do you think about this eyeshadow palette? Are you thinking about picking it up? And what are my final thoughts on this? Now, you do get 12 pans of eyeshadow. It does retail for $55. It's available on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website, also on the Ulta website, but you can actually pick it up now at Sephora. If you're into neutrals, if you're into very ethereal shimmers, something that's user-friendly, something that's going to easily transition from day into night, I think this is right up your alley. The pans are so much larger. It just is exquisite. I love the shimmers. It's unusual enough for me, because usually I love a lot of boring neutrals. You do have your everyday neutrals, but then you've got these beautiful rich colors over through here, and I can't wait to play with it some more and come up with some more eyeshadow looks. And I don't think this is a limited edition, so hopefully this will be around for quite some time. I think it's absolutely lovely. Rich mattes, beautiful shimmers. I think it's fantastic. But in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best concealer that I've been using for mature skin. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of our family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.